If you're like most busy professionals, your days are packed from morning to night. Meetings, deadlines, and endless to-do lists leave you with almost no time to think about cooking, let alone eating healthy. But what if you could still lose weight and enjoy delicious meals, even with your hectic schedule? Today, I'm sharing 10 lightning-fast Asian meals you can whip up in just 5 to 10 minutes. These recipes are designed for people who want to eat well, but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. Whether you're at home or at the office, these meals are perfect for anyone who wants to cook smart, not hard. Hey everyone, it's David here, and welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to help you make healthy eating simple and stress-free. I totally get it. After a long day of work, the last thing you want to do is spend ages in the kitchen. Sometimes, just the thought of cooking feels overwhelming, especially when you're tired and hungry. It's so easy to reach for takeout or fast food, but those choices can really set back your health and weight loss goals. Convenience shouldn't come at the cost of your well-being. The good news is, you don't have to choose between your career and your health. With a little planning and the right recipes, you can have both. I've carefully selected my top 10 Asian-inspired meals that are not only quick to make, but also high in protein, low in calories, and absolutely packed with flavor. These dishes are perfect for anyone looking to stay fit and satisfied. These meals have been my go-to for staying lean, energized, and focused, even on the busiest days. They're my secret weapons for keeping my nutrition on track without sacrificing taste or time. So, if you're ready to transform your meal prep routine, save time, and finally hit your weight loss goals, let's jump right in and discover how easy healthy eating can be. First up, we have a zero-cook meal that's as vibrant as it is simple: Vietnamese chili lime tuna cucumber boats. This dish is perfect for anyone who wants a quick, healthy bite without spending time at the stove. It's a 3-minute high-protein snack or lunch. No cooking required. Just a few minutes of easy assembly. Ideal for busy days when you want something nourishing but don't have time to cook. Start with canned tuna in water, drained thoroughly to keep the texture light and not soggy. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein, making this meal both filling and energizing. In a bowl, mix the tuna with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice, a bit of minced garlic, thinly sliced red chili for heat, and a splash of fish sauce for that signature umami flavor. The combination brings a zesty, savory kick that wakes up your taste buds. Next, take a crisp cucumber, slice it in half lengthwise, and scoop out the seeds to create little boats. These cucumber halves are the perfect vessel for the flavorful tuna mixture. The cucumber adds a refreshing crunch and a burst of hydration, keeping the meal low-carb, light, and incredibly satisfying. It's a great way to stay cool and nourished, especially on warm days. Simply spoon the zesty tuna mixture into the cucumber boats, making sure each one is generously filled. The colors and textures make it as appealing to the eyes as it is to the palate. There are no lingering cooking smells, and it's easy to eat right at your desk. Plus, it's packed with nutrients, protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, all in one convenient package. Each bite is crunchy, savory, and just a little bit spicy. Think of it as healthy fast food that actually fuels your body. It's the perfect meal to keep you energized and focused, whether you're powering through meetings or working on a big project. So, for your next lunch break, give these Vietnamese chili lime tuna cucumber boats a try. They're fast, fresh, office-friendly, and guaranteed to brighten up your day. Next, a lightning-fast Japanese ginger chicken and snow pea stir-fry. Slice boneless, skinless chicken breast thinly for a quick cook. Rinse fresh snow peas, minimal prep. Grate fresh ginger for that signature aroma. Heat sesame oil in a wok, sear chicken, then add ginger. Splash in low-sodium soy sauce and mirin for a glossy restaurant-style finish. Toss in snow peas for just a minute, keep them crisp and green. Serve as is for low-carb or with a little brown rice. Packed with lean protein, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory ginger. 7 minutes, 1 pan, and you've got a clean, satisfying dinner. Fast, flavorful, and healthy. Craving bold, zesty Thai flavors but short on time? You can whip up something delicious in just 5 minutes, no takeout menu required. Try these vibrant lemongrass shrimp lettuce cups, a fresh, healthy twist on classic Thai street food, right in your own kitchen. Start with pre-cooked shrimp for ultimate speed. Toss them with fragrant minced lemongrass, a splash of fish sauce, tangy lime juice, a bit of garlic, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for that signature Thai heat. Let the shrimp soak up those flavors for a minute or two while you get your lettuce ready. The marinade infuses every bite with brightness and depth. Butter lettuce, romaine, or iceberg all work beautifully. Just be sure to wash and dry the leaves so they're crisp and ready to hold all that goodness. Spoon the marinated shrimp mixture generously into each lettuce cup, letting the juices soak into the leaves. Finish with a shower of fresh cilantro, mint, or a handful of chopped peanuts for extra flavor, crunch, and a pop of color. The result? Warm, aromatic shrimp nestled in cool, crisp lettuce. Each bite is a burst of texture and taste. You get all the satisfaction of a hearty wrap, but without the carbs or heaviness of bread or tortillas. These are perfect for a quick light lunch at your desk, a healthy snack, or even a fun appetizer for guests. High in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely bursting with authentic Thai flavor, they're a guilt-free treat you'll crave again and again. No cooking required if you use pre-cooked shrimp. Just toss, assemble, and enjoy. It's fast, fresh, and totally diet-friendly, making healthy eating effortless. With every bite, you'll forget you're eating health food. It's that satisfying, flavorful, and fun. Need comfort food in 5 minutes? Try this tofu and shiitake miso bowl. Place a tablespoon of white or yellow miso paste in a bowl. Add cubed silken tofu and crumbled dried shiitake mushrooms. Pour in boiling water and stir until the miso dissolves. The mushrooms rehydrate instantly, and the tofu adds protein. Garnish with scallions or sesame seeds if you like. Each spoonful is savory, soothing, and gut-friendly. It's light but filling thanks to the tofu. Perfect for a quick lunch or a midday reset. No packet soup, just real, nourishing ingredients. 5 minutes, 1 bowl, total comfort. Warm, healthy, and satisfying. Your new go-to for busy days. Craving noodles but avoiding carbs? Make these garlic chili zucchini noodles. Spiralize zucchini or buy pre-spiralized zoodles. Stir-fry thinly sliced chicken in a hot pan. Add plenty of garlic and your favorite chili, fresh, flakes, or sauce. Toss in the zucchini noodles for just a minute or two. Don't overcook. Finish with a splash of soy sauce and toss to coat. You get a big, spicy, satisfying bowl with almost no carbs, high in protein, low in calories, and full of flavor. Ready in under 10 minutes. Perfect for weight loss and noodle cravings, fast, bold, and guilt-free. Enjoy your healthy noodles any night. Bring Malaysian flavors home in 10 minutes with this sambal lime salmon flake bowl. Pan-sear a salmon fillet with salt and pepper for a crispy outside, tender inside. Quickly stir-fry or steam bok choy for a fresh, crunchy base. Mix sambal oelek with lime juice for a fiery, tangy sauce. Flake the cooked salmon, layer over bok choy, and drizzle with the sambal lime dressing. The combo rich salmon, fresh greens, and a bold, spicy sauce, high in protein and healthy fats, keeps you full and satisfied. Looks and tastes gourmet, but it's ready in minutes. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or meal prep. Fast, balanced, and bursting with flavor. Slimming never tasted so good. Need a grab-and-go lunch? Try this 5-minute cold Japanese soba salad jar. Cook soba noodles, 3-4 minutes, rinse under cold water. Layer a jar, sesame soy vinaigrette at the bottom, then crunchy veggies like edamame, carrots, cucumbers. Add soba noodles, then delicate greens on top. Seal and refrigerate. Stays fresh until you're ready. When it's time to eat, shake the jar and enjoy. Packed with fiber, protein, and flavor. Perfect for meal prep and busy days. No soggy salads, just fresh, vibrant layers. Healthy, portable, and delicious. Lunch solved in 5 minutes. Love egg rolls but not the calories. Make this Korean gochujang egg roll bowl. Brown ground chicken with garlic and ginger. Add shredded cabbage or coleslaw mix. Quick, crunchy, and low-calorie. Stir in gochujang, soy sauce, and a touch of sesame oil for that spicy sweet kick. Simmer for a minute, then finish with sliced scallions. All the flavor of an egg roll, none of the frying. High protein, veggie-packed, and ready in 10 minutes. Comfort food, reimagined for your goals. One pan, big flavor, zero guilt. Satisfying, spicy, and healthy. Your new favorite weeknight bowl. Thai basil chicken, or pad krapao gai, made fast and healthy over quinoa. Use ground chicken, garlic, and bird's eye chilies. Stir-fry for a few minutes. Add a sauce of soy, oyster, and fish sauce for depth and umami. Stir in lots of fresh Thai basil off the heat to keep it aromatic. Serve over pre-cooked quinoa for a high-protein, high-fiber meal. The quinoa soaks up all the sauce, delicious and filling. Ready in under 10 minutes. Energizing, spicy, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Authentic Thai flavor, simplified for busy days, fast, fresh, and satisfying. The fastest meal, 2-minute Asian omelette wrap. Whisk 2 eggs with soy sauce and sesame oil. Pour into a non-stick pan. Swirl for a thin crepe-like omelet. Add quick fillings, spinach, carrots, mushrooms, or scallions. Fold, cook for 10 more seconds, and slide onto a plate. Drizzle with soy sauce or sriracha if you like. High protein, light, and ready in 2 minutes. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. No excuses, healthy eating can be this fast. Warm, fluffy, and nutrient-packed. Your new emergency meal. That's 10 fast, healthy Asian meals for your busiest days. From no-cook tuna boats to a 2-minute omelet, you can eat well and stay on track. Healthy eating should be exciting, not a chore. Add these recipes to your routine and enjoy vibrant flavors every day. Consistency is key. Quick, tasty meals make it easy. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more SlimSync recipes for busy professionals.